Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see some free communication skills courses that are offered by HP company. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. So just a small update regarding Coursera here. I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies including Google, Meta, Microsoft, IBM, Amazon, Duke University, HEC Paris, John Hopkins University. So a lot of premium universities and companies around the world are offering online courses via this Coursera e-learning platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus. Because Coursera Plus subscription will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses and guided projects. And in addition to that, you can also get job-ready certification programs provided by top companies like Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus. So now let's move on and see the free communication skills courses that are offered by HP company. So the first one is business communications. So first let me tell you what are the things that are common for all the courses which we'll be seeing in this video. So all these courses are offered by HP company. The language of instruction will be English and all these are self-paced courses, so you can just set your own schedule for it, and these are 100% online, so you do not go to any place to take these courses. It's absolutely free as well. So free online self-paced course, so you can just set your own schedule and complete it whenever you have time. And once you complete the course, you will get a certificate of completion as well. So all these things are common for all the courses which we'll be seeing in this video. So coming back to this business communications course, more than 50,000 students have already taken this course. And here you can learn why business communications are important and how you can create a framework to improve your business communication skills. So that's what you're going to learn in this course. Let's move on to the next one, which is business email. So in this course, you'll learn how to write professional level business email to communicate effectively with people when you're in business. So that's what you're going to learn in this course. More than 47,000 students have already taken this particular course from HP company. So if you want to improve your email communication skills, you can just go for this one. Let's move on to the next one, which is effective leadership. So more than 74,000 students have taken this leadership course because the quality is quite good. So here you'll get to learn how to use different leadership approaches to become a stronger and effective leader in all aspects of business. So that's what you're going to learn in this particular course. Let's move on to the next one, which is effective presentations. So you'll learn how to develop, practice and give a persuasive presentation in this particular course. So more than 60,000 students have already taken this particular one. Next course is presenting data. More than 29,000 students have taken this particular course, and here you learn how to use spreadsheet software to create charts that will convey your business ideas effectively. So that's what you're going to learn in this particular course. So these are the 5 communication skills courses that are offered by HP company. So all these are related to business communications in overall. So if you are interested in this, just make use of these courses and improve your communication skills. And now let's see how you can enroll in these courses. So once you're here in the course page, just click on this join for free at the right top. Once you click on join for free, you'll be directed to a sign up page, which will look something like this. So first we need an account in this platform. So we need to create account. So give your details like your name, email, country, gender, and how did you hear about HP Live. So just fill in all these details and click on the sign up button and create your account. And once you're logged into your account, you can simply come back to the course page and you can take the course. Just a second, it is loading here. So like I said, once you're logged into your account, click on this enroll button in the course page and take the course. And once you complete it, you can get your certificate of completion from HP company. So I hope you will find these courses very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.